Okay, alam ko maulan na ngayon, but please hear me out. Burger King's newest sundae with Nutella is a dream come true, and here's why you shouldn't let the rain stop you from chasing it. Let's go! Sa excitement ko, sabi ko talaga, bahala na kasi limited time offers lang to eh. So, nag-Nutella and carbs overload ako today. We got the two-piece waffles with Nutella meal na may hash bites and drink, and both the BK sundae with Nutella and the King fusion with Nutella. This was so decadent, and surprisingly, hindi siya nakakaumay kahit medyo madami yung toppings, or baka dahil favorite ko lang talaga yung Nutella. Love the addition ng crunch din from the cookie bits, and well, masarap naman kasi talaga yung creamy vanilla soft serve ng Burger King. Kung gusto mo naman mas ma-enjoy lang yung soft serve plus Nutella, they also have one without the cookie bits, and this is just as good. Actually, ito yung masarap i-pair sa hash bites. The Nutella edition is also available in their two-piece waffle na medyo heavy na talaga for me, pero shinare ko naman to with the sisters. And here's another hack. Stack your waffle with a hash bite, add soft serve on top,